Website homepage is not equal to landing page. Here is why that matters. You run a campaign, the ad performs well, people are clicking, traffic is coming in, but conversions? Barely any. Naturally, you start questioning the creative, the audience, and maybe even the offer. But here is something most businesses overlook. It's not always the ad, it's where you are sending them. If that page is your home page, that's likely where the problem begins. I am Mehul Brahmbhatt, CEO of Matrix Bricks. Over the last 2 decades, I have worked closely with the businesses to help them get better results from their digital presence. And one issue I keep seeing even in a large organizations is this: using a homepage like it's a landing page. It seems small, but it has a big impact on how your website performs. And today, I want to break it down in the simplest way possible. What's the actual difference? Let's start with something simple. What is a homepage? It's your brand's front door. When someone's hear about you and look you up, that's where they land. It's a broad, it's a welcoming, and it's got links to everything: your services, your blog, your company culture, and your contact form, etc. Now, a landing page, that's a sniper shot. One page, one purpose, one action. No distraction, no wandering around the site. Just a clean, clear path to conversion. And that's the key: intent. A homepage is for exploring, a landing page is for doing. If someone just clicked on ad about a free consultation, they don't want to explore your homepage. They want the consultation. Why using homepage as a landing page doesn't work? When you drive paid ad traffic, people click on specific promise in an ad, and if you drive them to homepage, you are interrupting their journey. Instead of taking them straight to the thing they came for, you are asking them to search for it. Imagine this: someone knocks on your door asking for a glass of water. You say, "Sure, come in. Feel free to browse the living room, kitchen, basement, guest bedroom, read a bit about my family history," and somewhere you will find the fridge. You have lost them. They are gone. A landing page gives them the water right there, no detours. Let's talk structure. They are built differently. Your homepage usually has a header, navigation bar, maybe a hero banner with a broad message like "We help you grow." Then there is your services, a couple of testimonials, maybe your latest blog, and a footer packed with links. A landing page, on the other hand, trims the extras. Headline, supporting subheads, pain point, quick value, social proof, strong call to action. That's it. No menu, no distractions, no chance to click away. Every word, every button, every content is focused on guiding the user to take that one step, whether it's booking a call, downloading a guide, or signing up for a free trial. Confused visitors don't convert. If a user lands on a page and isn't immediately clear on what to do next, they won't do anything at all. This isn't about being pushy, it's about being clear. People aren't short on attention span, they are short on patience for confusion. If your page makes them guess, they bounce. And that bounce, it costs you money, especially if you are paying for every click. Different pages for different jobs. Think of it this way: your homepage is your business card, a landing page is your pitch. They both matter, but they are not interchangeable. One builds awareness, the other builds action. The moment you try to combine them, you dilute the effectiveness of both. A quick self-check for you. Ask yourself right now: are you running ads and sending people to your homepage? Are you using the same page to rank on Google and convert paid traffic? Do your pages try to do more than one thing at a time? If the answer to any of this is yes, it's time to rethink your flow. I want to hear from you. Are you using a separate landing pages or still directing everything to your homepage? Drop your answer in the comments. If this helped you rethink how your website should work, like this video and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.